Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Alex. I'm one of the co-founders of NativeStudios, and our product is called CREACE. So just to make sure that you're not confusing that, we are a company, an enterprise software company in the mobile video space, and we're a team of brand strategists, developers, and professional film and television storytellers. And what we do at the core is that we empower marketers to leverage user-generated video. Why is that a good thing? I mean, the whole market, the whole advertising market, media is shifting towards video. We all experience that on a day-to-day. And it's not just campaigns, it's also marketplaces that want to illustrate inventory via video. It's people that communicate directly via video. And it's both B2C and it's increasingly also in the B2B space. And what we experienced is that even though marketers want to leverage especially user-generated content, they have a hard time doing so. Because first of all, it lacks branding, so they have a hard time connecting the user and the brand message. Then the second challenge is engagement. So average users have a hard time telling their story via video, so they need help and guidance. And the third is, from a marketer's perspective, it's unclear if they are allowed to actually use the content that's generated, and IP rights are a big issue for them. So we help them to solve these issues. And the way we do it is via a combination of mainly two things. First of all, it's user guidance within our own app, CREACE, or via our SDK or white label. And it's an automatic cloud service that combines the user-generated content with pre-produced branding, sound, and effects. So here's a quick demo. The user accesses so-called video templates via our app or via SDK, and then all he or she has to do is follow very simple instructions and time limits. And the resulting content is automatically uploaded to our cloud service, where it's combined with pre-produced professional content. Intro, outro, interstitials, sound effects, layers, etc. The resulting video is sent back to the user, and if she's happy with it, she can share it directly on social or a brand content management system. And this way, we can basically address the concerns and the issues that marketers face, because the resulting content is first of all improved in terms of quality. It's easier for every user to engage and to create video, and it's automatically shareable. You can try it out yourself. Actually, we have a little bit of a media partnership going on with NOAH this year, so you can basically download our app CREACE, enter the code NOAH, and then you can create your own NOAH video. Here's an example actually from the previous event that I did, where you see the effect, you see the intro, you see the effects on the alpha channel, you see the branding, and all that basically happens automatically without having to have any previous video experience on the user end. So, despite these very obvious case, there's obviously a ton of potential for a solution and a ton of need in the market. Actually, it goes all along the entire customer channel or customer funnel. And it's really starting with brand campaigns, like the obvious ideas, extending your brand message via user-generated content and inviting your audience to participate in campaigns. But also what's very important for us is marketplaces and platforms where you see an increasing demand for video to illustrate inventory. But also, you know, the obvious influencer marketing campaigns, but also castings, transmedia co-creation. And we are live since 2016, last September. And in the meantime, we've worked with an increasing number of big brands and platforms. And we have a ton of examples actually that illustrate how this works. We've established the use cases. And yeah, so it's pretty much proven. The way we earn money is actually for a combination of three pillars. First of all, the tech license part. So we charge marketers a recurring fee for a so-called branded category. Yeah, so to basically be able to publish video templates in our app, or if they decide to integrate it into their own ecosystem, they can license an SDK or white label. The second is the inventory, so it's the video templates that I showed you. That can happen via full service if we develop the templates, or via self-service if there is an agency partner involved or the media company has all the knowledge in-house. And then the third is user engagement, so we charge a small fee per video created. Yeah? And through this combination, we make it very attractive for marketers to really integrate our solution on a continuous basis, and it's also for us very interesting and allows us to generate a strong margin. We've done so with a number of clients, so that's just a small selection actually. And next, basically, we're going to develop, building on this existing framework, a couple of product features already matching existing client demands and partner demands. That includes integrating mixed reality or augmented reality with Microsoft HoloLens. So think about industrial use cases where you have people who want to document certain procedures, certain knowledge that has to be transferred by a video or described by a video. Of course, it's easier if they can just wear a HoloLens, and then they can basically have their hands free, and we can basically integrate the prompts and the guidance in the app or in the HoloLens. The second that's very interesting for us is to integrate cognitive services into our cloud service. So to smarten up the cloud service so that we can basically analyze in real time what the user is talking about, what brands they mention, and then complement their user content automatically with the right professional and branded material. And the third is an autonomous self-service, so building on our existing self-service to really allow brand partners, agencies, etc., to generate templates more or less automatically based on some machine learning algorithm. So that's what we're going to do. If you want to talk video, feel free to approach me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you.